Hey Siri, what's the definition of substitution?
Substitution means the action of replacing someone or something with another person or thing.
Replacing someone or something with another person or thing. So like a substitute teacher replaces the teacher temporarily. When we use substitution in expressions, we are replacing a variable with a number. So let's look at some examples. If I tell you that x equals 3 and y equals -2, let's try (2x + 4). Now anytime I have a number with a letter next to it, I need to put parentheses around my letter. When there's no operation between the two, we assume multiplication. So I'm going to put parentheses around my x, and in this case, I'm going to replace my x with 3 because x equals 3. So I have 2 parentheses 3 plus 4. Now I need to follow the proper order of operation, which says I multiply first. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. We just use substitution. Let's try another. What if I have 4 plus 3y? Well, again, I'm going to start by putting parentheses around my variable because it's next to a number with no operation in between. An operation, what is that? It's not surgery. Operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when I say operation, I'm talking about one of these 3 things. So none of these are explicitly stated here in between the two. So we assume multiplication, and by putting parentheses, it reminds me that when I substitute for y, I'm substituting -2, which means I'm actually doing 3 times -2. It's not 3 minus 2. It's 3 times -2. So when I multiply, I get -6. I bring down my plus 4. And I have 4 plus -6, or 4 minus 6. So I wind up with -2. All right, let's try one more. X plus y. I don't need to put parentheses around these because they're separated by a plus sign. They're separated by the operation plus. X is 3, y is -2. So I have 3 plus -2, which is the same as 3 minus 2, which is 1. And you have completed your lesson on substitution. So go ahead and play, pause, and repeat in order to take the notes you need to feel confident in trying problems.